Hello everyone, how to solve this exponential equation? This question is 16 power x equal to 32, where find out what is the value of x. So here is 16, here is 32. We know that 16 like as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. I can say here is 2 to the power 4. And again here is 32. 32 like as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, here is 2 to the power 5. So I can say here is 16 equal to 2 to the power 4 and 32 equal to 2 to the power 5. So here is 2 to the power 4 bracket power is x equal to 2 to the power 5. Now we know that according to exponential rules, a to the power n bracket power is m equal to a to the power n m. So if I follow these rules, I can say here is 2 to the power 4 times x equal to 4x. Now here is 2 to the power 4x equal to 2 to the power 5. Now again we know that a to the power b equal to a to the power c. Here is base is same. This time I can say power is equal. So here is b equal to c. Now our math, here is base is same. I can say our exponent is equal. So here is 4x equal to 5. Now I divide both sides 4. This time I can say 4 cancel. Our value is 5 over 4. Now again if I solve this question other method, here is 16 power x equal to 32. Now I use both side log. I can say here is log 16 power x equal to log 32. Now we know that log a to the power m equal to m log a. If I follow these rules, this time I can say this exponent, I mean this x, move on in front. So I can say here is x log 16 equal to log 32. Now I divide both sides log 16. So here is log 16 cancel. We are find out x equal to log 32 over log 16. Now x equal to log, we know that 32 like as 2 to the power 5 and log 16 like as 2 to the power 4. Now if I follow these rules again, this time I can say the 5 and 4 move on in front. So x equal to 5 log 2 over 4 log 2. Now log 2 cancel. We are find out the value of x equal to 5 over 4. This is our final answer. Now let's prove. Our first question is 16 power x equal to 32. So 16 power x equal to 32. 4, here is x equal to 32. Now 2 to the power 4 times 1 to the power 4, and we know that x equal to 5 over 4. So 5 over 4 equal to 32. Here is 4 cancel. We are find out 2 to the power 5 equal to 32. We know that 2 to the power 5 equal to 32 equal to 32. This is our final answer, x equal to 5 over 4. Thank you all. If you enjoy this video, please like this video and comment my video and subscribe my channel for others interesting video. Thank you all. Goodbye.